What is a 4-thread overlock? On the Husqvarna Viking Amber S100, it is the most used stitch. Once you have perfected this, you can serge anything. So it does include that you're threading both needles and both loopers and have all balanced tension. So this stitch is designed to stitch on woven fabrics. It can be done on stretchy fabrics without having to change a thing. As you sew, you are doing all in one. It's a construction seam and an overlock, the nice clean cut from the edge of the fabric, all done at once. Plus, when you open it up, the seam is sewn. So this is like a 1-and-done or a 2-in-1 seam, and you don't have to go back and do anything else. It's ready to use. If this was knit fabric, it would stretch. If it's woven fabric, it's nice and secure. And it is secure because of those 2 needles creating that seam. Now, as you perfect working through all the stitches, just like we're going through them, in your book, you are finding where you've got all the setup of all the stitches. And as you're learning, for example, stitch length and tension adjustment of which one to adjust for all the different stitches, check out your included manual for all the stitches you can do on this serger. And it's then just like a little roadmap. You want to do a 3-thread rolled edge, then it shows you like which needle to use and what to do with the stitch finger and which needles and tensions you are adjusting for. So keep this handy as you start to work through this. We talk about doing decorative stitches and sewing out a stitch book on a sewing machine. This is kind of sewing out a stitch book on your serger. So if you want to master all the stitches your serger will do, this is your first stitch, the one you're going to always come back to, and then from here you can do anything. Now, in the description below, we have some of our favorite serger Craftsy classes. Those are online classes with projects and fun things. I even have a Serger Craftsy class called Serger Solutions Troubleshooting Techniques. Very fun. All those Serger classes are amazing. They will help you learn all the different things that you can do with a serger. So make sure you check out the complete playlist at the end of this YouTube video where you can master every stitch from the beginning and learn this serger from A to Z.